Goliath grouper. Goliath grouper. Goliath grouper. I don't think anywhere in hell I'm gonna be able to land this thing. Goliath grouper. I'm trying to figure out how the hell I'm gonna grab this thing. Yeah, Goliath grouper. Goliath grouper, baby. Yeah. Whew. All right, baby. I got a Goliath. I got a Goliath. Perfectly hooked. Got my hook back. Perfectly hooked. Goliath grouper. Whew. Goliath, baby. Yeah! And let it go. And let it go. What a monster! What a monster! Oh, what a monster! Oh my God! Yes, sir! We outside! Woo! Yes, indeed. Woo! And I hooked one before that. Perfectly hooked. That was a Goliath on a pilchard. That thing was perfectly hooked. I broke off by one earlier. But yeah, that feels good. Yes, indeed. Yes, sir. Hey, we gotta go back, make this trek back. Yeah. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh no. Good fish. Oh no. Fish on that one too. I feel like another Goliath. I feel like another Goliath though. I got his head turned faster. Feel like a Goliath. I feel like another Goliath. Yeah, it's another Goliath. Right there. Right there, another Goliath. Oh, thank you. I got off. Oh, we got the line though. Boy, we out here, boy. It's crazy that I'm even out here right now. But we'll see if we catch anything. I've been sitting in the car for over an hour. We'll see if there's any fish biting. I'm at the rocks at Conch Key, and we'll see if there's anything. I got a live shrimp. The shrimps are really small. I'm on the Gulf side of the Keys right now. I'm on the Gulf side. You know what I'm saying? See if I catch any snappers today. All right, today's Saturday. It's about 2:30. About 2:23. I don't know if you can see into the bait bucket, but the shrimps are small. Look how small these things are. They're puny. But that's all they had at the bait shop. I'm just going right under the horn. Hopefully we could get a little kick, and we'll see what happens. Woo! I'm a little bit on the crazy side for doing it, but we'll see. Yeah, good cast. Let's see, baby, watch the slack. All right? This is a couple days after the hurricane. I'm just watching the slack right here. See if we got any fish wanting to feed. Nothing. I'm watching the slack in the line, see if there's anything going on. All right? I haven't gotten a bite yet. I thought I had a bite last time, but I really didn't see the line move or anything. I think I just might have caught the line. Oh, fish. The line's moving. Fish on. All right, small fish. All right, small fish. Little schoolmaster. Little schoolmaster snapper. Hey, that fish number one. 231. Fish number one is 231. All right, got him back. Let me get some salt water. Let me get some salt water for my butt. Get some salt water in there, some nice salt water. So what did we miss? So I thought y'all got the action, but I guess the thing was off. So in the bucket right now, I have 2 blue runner jacks. Two blue runner jacks. I caught 2 blue runner jacks. Oh, that thing's slippery. 2 blue runner jacks. All right, just now in quick succession. And then I caught a yellowtail that I let go. I'm gonna keep the blue runners. Man, I'm mad I didn't get a chance to see that. I'm upset about that. Cause there was some good, man, come on, man. Man, I'm upset about that, man. I'm upset about that, bro. I'm upset about that. Man. We missed that. How did we miss that? I'm kind of mad about that, man. Caught 2 blue runners and a yellowtail. Some nice action. And then the GoPro wasn't on. I'm a little upset about that. You know, try to give y'all a different angle and everything. But it wasn't on, so it is what it is. But yeah, man, it's 3:33. So I've caught a couple of blue runners, some couple of grunts, yellowtail, undersized snapper. You know, I had a barracuda chasing my bait up to the corner, to the land. So we'll see what happens. Fish. Doesn't feel like anything special. You know, small grunt, small snapper. Small mangrove. Fish on. It's gonna be a small fish. Pinfish. I'm gonna keep this pinfish because I might cut it up and use it for bait. I'm gonna keep it. I might cut it up and use it for bait. That thing hit it as soon as. Pinfish are spiky too. I might cut this pinfish up and use it for bait a little bit later. Snapper. Can we get the keeper snapper, folks? Oh, line's moving, line's moving. Line's moving. All right, fish on, fish on, fish on. Feels like a little bit better fish. Feel like a little bit better fish. All right. All right, so we made the adjustment, people. We made the adjustment and we went to a smaller hook. And our hookup percentage is going up. All right, our hookup percentage is going up. I got a little piece of bait. The thing barely hits the waters and the bar jacks. I didn't even cast it good. It's literally right there. There it goes. Gone already. Right there. Bro, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. How aggressive these fish are. I don't want to get poked today. I don't want to get poked today. One of the really good things about fishing on the land like this, you could drift your bait with without a weight, and you know that natural presentation really does enhance the bite. Like when fish sees bait drifting, they react to it better than when it's just sitting on the bottom. That doesn't mean that if you have big fish you're not gonna hit it, but a lot of time, man, when it's just naturally going and drifting, you're gonna always get a bite if there's fish there, always. Fish on. Fish on. On the bar jack. So what happened? You try to hook them, unhook them. I need my pliers. I don't have it, but that didn't hurt too bad. But it's annoying, I'll tell you that. Got a mackerel. And if you saw, I was jigging this up and down. Got a mackerel. Small mackerel. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm working it up and down. All right. I'm working this bait up and down like a jig. So basically dropping it down, then it go to the bottom and jigging it up and down. Just jigging it up and down. Listen, something weird is going on, y'all. I'm keep catching these baits. I keep catching these baits. Like, it's weird. This is my third one that I caught. Well, fourth. Hey, I'm cool. I'm gonna keep going. So there's a bunch of bait here. Obviously, I'm not trying to catch bait, but hey, it's interesting. I feel like, oh, I got one. Oh, I have one. These baits are actually going after this thing. Like, oh no, bottom. Damn, I got the bottom. Oh, I got off. I gotta be careful. I don't want to go too low. Cause like I said, it's keep getting hooked on the bottom. Look like another one. I can feel it. Like, oh my God. Somebody please explain to me what the hell's going on. Somebody please tell me why I'm catching shiners or whatever these things are. They're not shiners. Like a pilchard. Yeah. This looks like a sabiki. This little feathery thing right here. That's why they're going for this. And it just looked like this is one of them, like a pilchard. And this is like a sabiki, so they're going for it. And that's why. Let's see if I just caught another one. This is weird and crazy, but Schoolmaster on the jig. It's not really a jig, but I'm jigging it. Another Schoolmaster on the jig. Up and down I go. When I stop, nobody knows. Goliath, baby. Yeah!